Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm yet again back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can register for your DasherDirect account. So DasherDirect is basically a prepaid debit and a mobile banking app that provides you with no fee daily payouts, access to convenient banking, and also cashback on gas. So if you'd like to get redirected towards all of these services, having a DasherDirect account is very useful. So I'm going to show you how you can register for one. For this, first of all, open up the DasherDirect app that you've already downloaded from App Store on your mobile device, and then tap on the Get Started button. After tapping on the Get Started button, the very first step is to enter your mobile number. So make sure that you enter your mobile number in this section and then tap on the Next button. After doing that, a certain verification code will be sent to your mobile device. Enter the verification code for the verification of your mobile number, then fulfill certain more credentials in 2 more steps, and eventually you'll be able to see that your registration to the DasherDirect account will have been successful. So this is basically how you can register for your DasherDirect account. It's not a very hard step, it's quite easy. Make sure that you fill in the correct credentials. I hope that with the help of this video you'll be registered for your own account, and if you do so, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you're reminded every time that we come up with a new tutorial video for you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you around next time.